Good morning and welcome back to Before the Noise with TJ. And today's question of the day: where was Moses standing when God told him to take off his shoes? Comment below. Today, guys, we're going to start in Psalms chapter 50, and it's verses 1 through 6. The mighty one, God, the Lord, speaks and summons the earth from the rising of the sun to where it sets. From Zion, perfect in beauty, God shines forth. Our God comes and will not be silent. A fire devours before him, and around him a tempest rages. He summons the heavens above and the earth that he may judge his people. Gather to me these consecrated people who made a covenant with me by sacrifice, and the heavens proclaim his righteousness, for he is a God of justice. Now, in our Bible study, judgment is coming to those who refuse to recognize God's authority. God is loving, but he will also deal with those who have chosen to rebel against him. We need to reflect honestly on our lives and ask God to remove any sinful or rebellious ways in us and to forgive us of the wrongs we have committed. Now, reading this psalm, I can feel the sadness of ones that don't know, that only read the Bible to say it's been read, and the ones that don't have a relationship with Jesus. When we're reading the words, we're not reading it for ourselves, we're reading it for God, to understand more about who he is, the power that he has, the control of everything. But yet we still get lost. We still try to create our own environments. We let our emotions get the best of us. And we have to understand that very soon he's coming to judge. And it won't feel good if you're not sacrificing yourself for the Lord. Covenant with me by sacrifice. Now, reading this, and obviously this is in the Old Testament, and talk about sacrificing animals. But when I read that, the sacrifice is who I am right now. I need to sacrifice myself daily for the Lord. I need to die to my old flesh and let him transform me from inside. Now, how many days are you choosing yourself over God? Are you giving him everything? And if you're not, what can you change? What environment do you have to put yourself into to hold yourself accountable better? In these times, God will always try to be coming and grabbing you and moving you closer to him. But how does that feel for you? Is it something that is putting you through the suffering of the world? Are you in very hard times and not looking to the truth? Or are you making sure every morning you wake up and you pick up your cross and you do the things that you don't want to do? You do them for the Lord. Take time today to take a deep breath and reassess where you're at and what can you do differently. Because things are not going to get easier. You have to prepare yourself daily for the battles that are coming at you. Remember, we don't live for this temporary time on the earth. We live for eternity. So if you're just satisfying your needs right now to be happy, well, when that judgment day comes, it might not feel so good. But wrap us up. It is in Exodus chapter 3, verse 5, on holy ground. You guys have an amazing day, and we'll catch you all tomorrow morning.